Hi, back again with me on this channel. In this video I will explain how to create a poll in a group messenger message. I'll explain clearly in 1 minute, make sure you watch this video to the end. The first step you have to do, is create a group messenger message that you will send the poll to. To create a messenger message group, click on the pencil logo in the upper right corner. Click on Create a new group. Select the friends you want to add to the group. Then, after you have selected some friends, click Next in the upper right corner. To create a poll, click on the 4 dots icon next to here. After that, click on the Polls button. You can enter the question you want. You are also required to enter several answer choices. The final step, press on the Create Poll button. After the poll has been created, it will look like this. Everyone in this group chat can provide answers, including you. I hope this video can help you. See you in the next video.